Hi, and welcome to Grow in Health with Affirmations, a place where you can learn affirmations and come together to recite them in order to enhance your well-being and transform your life in uplifting ways. In this video, we are going to proclaim 10 powerful affirmations for becoming more loving. Please find below in the description box a link to your free Affirmations ebook that contains many affirmations for various life areas, as well as links to our Affirmations online store for inspirational products that will help to maintain your positivity throughout the day. And now, let's begin our affirmations session together. I am loving, lovable, and loved. You are loving, lovable, and loved. I love and accept myself. You love and accept yourself. I attract loving, happy, positive people. You attract loving, happy, positive people. I am open to love. You are open to love. I am surrounded by love. You are surrounded by love. I am grateful for the joy and love in my relationships. You are grateful for the joy and love in your relationships. I attract loving, healthy relationships. You attract loving, healthy relationships. I am happy giving and receiving love every day. You are happy giving and receiving love every day. I find love everywhere I go. You find love everywhere you go. For all of the love in my life, I am grateful. For all of the love in your life, you are grateful. So, thanks for joining me in declaring these affirmations. I look forward to reading your comments of what you have gained from these sessions, as well as other life topic affirmations that you would like me to make videos for. And remember that there's a link below for your free Affirmations ebook that contains these affirmations, as well as many others for various life circumstances. So click on that if you're interested, as well as the links to our Affirmations online store for inspirational products and our Facebook group. Thanks, and enjoy life's journey.